Today, I'll be showing you how to play PSP games on your iPhone and iPads without any jailbreaks. We'll be using the PPSSPP app, fully available on the official App Store. I will also be showing you guys the best settings to utilize to get the best graphics and FPS, so do make sure to stick to the end of this video. Now simply open your App Store and search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, you are going to see the app. So you can see the app right here. So go ahead and download to your device. Once downloaded, simply open the app. Once open, it's going to automatically create a PSP folder. So right now, let's go to our file manager. You are going to see this file inside your iPhone. Just click on it. Once you click on it, normally it's going to take you to this section, because normally it's going to open up like this. So once it open up like this, just click on this on my iPhone. You are going to see the PPSSPP folder in here. Once you click on it, you see that there are so many folders in here, like the game folder, which you're actually going to need. So right now, we have to actually extract a PSP game file. So you can see that I'm having some game files in here. So all you have to do, just hold down on any of these game file. Once you hold down on it, you are going to see the uncompressed icon. Click on it. So right now, you can see that the main file is ready to use. So all you have to do, just hold down on the main game file. Once you hold down on it, you are going to see the move icon. Click on move and then go to your PPSSPP game folder. So let me start it from the beginning so I don't confuse you guys. So once I go to on my iPhone, PPSSPP, PSP, you can see the game folder. So I'll click on it, then I'll click on move. Once I do that, all I have to do is just reopen my PPSSPP emulator. Once I open it, you can see there's no game in here to play. So first of all, we'll start by clicking on PSP, then we'll click on game. Now you can see that the game is in here and is ready to play. So right now, like I said, you're going to be needing some settings to give you the best performance. Although I won't be able to go through all the settings in this video. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to recommend a dedicated video with all the settings that you are going to need for the best FPS and performance at the end of this video. Now all you have to do, just start by, imputing these quick settings. This is actually not the complete settings, but it's just a quick settings. So put your frame skipping at 3, auto frame skip, turn it on, and just with this you are good to go. But you're also going to be needing rendering resolution. So depending on your device, if you have a very powerful device, you can go with 4x PSP. But if you don't have a very powerful device, you can go with 2x PSP. So right now, let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Nino Williams. Get ready for the next battle.
Come on, baby. Show me what you got.
Round 1. Fight! KO. You win.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.